This is so funny and also embarrassing. Is it kind of unhinged that I used to curl my eyelashes with my fingernails? I'm like, oh, that's cute, that's cute. Good morning, everybody. Is it morning? I will let you answer that question. I feel like if you don't know by now, you haven't been here long enough. I'm about to go to bar class and I was about to change, but I looked in the mirror and like it literally looks like I'm pregnant. This is like a little concerning because what if I am? Anyway, I think I'm gonna wear my favorite set today. Look at how cute. So comfy and it fits so well. My room is so messy right now. Do not look. I'm gonna clean it later. But dude, these bangs are the actual death of me. I did not mean to get bangs this short, but it just happened that way. And now I have to deal with them. I mean, I can make them look good like 1% of the time, but like a lot of effort needs to go into it. Otherwise, it's just like, girl, no, like that looks like a wig. Not the good kind of wig. Let's go. I am back from bar class. It was so challenging, but I've recently been loving bar class and I do it through ClassPass. I'm obsessed with ClassPass. If you click my link below, not sponsored or anything, it is an affiliate link, but if you click it, you can get a month free, but my link also gives you 20 extra free credits. It's lit. I literally use ClassPass every single week and I've really been on my fitness grind lately. It's like insane to me that I'm moving my body as opposed to like literally sitting on the couch like every single day, not leaving. For the past like couple years. I actually used to be a really athletic teenager because I used to be on the school badminton team. I also took badminton classes. I was on the city swim team. I used to do ballet and also had to do PE in high school. Now looking back, my lifestyle really has regressed so much in adulthood once I was given like all the freedom from my parents and from school and all these like structural things that are in society. Once I actually had to make my own schedule, it was a lot to figure out and I think everything just went out the window when I had my own responsibilities and I was like, I love freedom! But freedom has kind of destroyed me. So I need to now be a little more disciplined and actually like use my own brain. Oh, it's not fair. It's really not fair. Being an adult is literally a scam. Anyway, bar class was really good. I realized that my core is really, really weak, which is why I have a lot of like health issues. Like my posture is so bad. Like, and I think that's why I have like TMJ issues. I have like shoulder pain. I have back pain. Actually, I realized that my shoulders are lopsided. Like one shoulder is higher than the other. Like this is how I normally stand, which is not good. So I've been trying to do more core exercises, but I actually have been home for a couple hours and I've just been planning out and scripting the glow up project episode. I've been working on this for so long, but these videos always take so long. I stayed up honestly pretty late filming it last night, but I think it's turning out really well. But I'm also eating lunch right now. I should wash my hair at some point today, but I'm trying to decide if I want to do that first or if I should film first, like shower at the end of the day or shower right now. Boys will never realize how much girls plan their lives around hair washing schedules and having periods. Like, what's it like to not have to worry about that? Must be so nice. I'm trying to decide if for this video I want to have it be like talking to a camera or voiceover. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it talking to the camera, which is a lot more work because I have to memorize what I want to say, but then I also have to look better than this. So maybe I should shower first. Or I could just get a little scrappy, make my hair look like it's not disgusting, put on makeup, and then shower at the end of the day. Because the thought of having to deal with like... Oh, my dad's calling. Hello?
醒了啦
Yeah.
在家里的时候可没醒，不一定醒哦。
Maybe.
昨天我们包麦脚了，本来给你送几个过来。
What, today?
可以啊。
可以啊。
还在吃什么？
饭。
自己烧的
No.
是什么？
Indian food.
都是饭啊。
Well, it's like chicken and cauliflower.
这没啥东西，都是饭嘛。
Yeah, kind of.
鸡蛋搞点进去呗。
没鸡蛋. I have nothing in the fridge. I just have drinks. I have like a white people fridge. This is so funny and also embarrassing. My parents just FaceTimed me because they were like, are you eating? And did you just wake up? It's 3:30 p.m. So I was like, oh my god, like what? Like I can't believe you thought I just woke up. The thing is, like a week ago when I was staying at home, I was waking up at 3 p.m. Like it was so bad. Honestly, like my life habits are not very good. I think to a lot of people it might seem like I have my life together, or maybe to you it's like, girl, we know you don't have your life together. But I think it's like because I have decorated my place very nicely. I hide all my bad life habits under like an aesthetic guise, but they literally are so concerned for me that they are driving 30 minutes to drop off food for me that they made last night. It is my favorite type of, what do I call it? It's like a giant Chinese dumpling called maijiao, but they made it last night and they know I really like it, so they're gonna drop it off for me along with like some fruits and veggies and some eggs and stuff. They're so cute. It makes me feel kind of sad because like I do lack a lot of the life skills to like sustain myself in a healthy way. Like I can survive and like I can make a living for myself. Like I have a work ethic when it comes to my career and like my passions and motivations and stuff like that. But like when it comes to my health, that's really not a priority to me, which I really want to make it a priority this year. As I get older, not that I'm like old or anything, but I do notice that my body can't take as much of the beatings that I give it, like constantly sleeping at 5 a.m, not eating regular meals, not exercising regularly. It's really like taken a toll on me. And also just like not taking care of my mental health, not taking breaks. I think earlier on in life, it was easier to brush it off and be like, oh, like I only slept like 3 hours. It was kind of like a brag, but now I'm realizing like, girl, that's not something to brag about. Like you're gonna be unalived because of these habits one day. So anyway, whoa, girl, let me take it back a little bit. Let me look at these beautiful stars on my walls to distract myself from the fact that I have bad life habits. No, I'm gonna have a mental breakdown. Anyway, speaking of healthy habits, I have been doing Duolingo for the past 3-4 days and I'm trying to build up my streak, and I have a 4-day streak. And little Miss Duo over here is saying, do you want to make it 5? Okay, bet, I'm gonna make it 5. I've been brushing up on my French. Préparer.
Préparer.
Préparer. Préparer.
Préparer. Nous aimons nous promener sur la plage.
Nous aimons nous promener sur la plage.
C'est nous 10.
Hell yeah, hell yeah. Completed! I better be at the top of the leaderboard or else I will continue my lessons until I am 5-day streak. 22! No. I need to be number 1. Let's go, let's go. This is really funny to me because that's so on brand. Am I an adult? Duo, don't lie to me. I've now leveled up to 17th place, but I realized that I have 44 points and the leader has 603 points. So it might be a little impossible for me to do right now. Instead, I think I should stop procrastinating and do what I actually need to do, which is film the glow up project. I don't know why I get so like, I have this like looming feeling of like doom all the time when I have to do something that I don't really want to do. Or I just like wake up with this feeling of like paralysis, like I don't want to do anything, like how am I gonna start, what am I gonna do? Like girl, just pick up your little feet and start. But it's just really hard for me. It's really hard for me. But we can do it, we can do it, I can do it, you can do it, we can do it. Woo! Whoa. Oh my god. Wow. Meal delivery. Private chef. Me when I lied to myself. It's a good day.
It's funny seeing that, knowing the state of life you're in right now. Is this what your parents dropped off? Whoa, those are big.
They're called maijiao. I guess they're like giant dumplings. They're so yummy.
Super dumplings.
God save the queen. I've been watching Love Island UK lately, and I've been like brushing up on the language.
You know the words, the key words. Except for, remember you said you went on that date and you were like, you genuinely didn't know what he was saying?
The language barrier, man.
Yeah, the language barrier.
I want to know who he's dating. And if he's not dating me, that's the wrong answer. I've currently just finished, well, I didn't just finish dinner, but I finished dinner a while ago and I'm actually doing my makeup right now at 10 p.m. because I'm about to film. Don't follow my lifestyle, please. I'm actively trying to change it, but I'm going to film some of the talking bits for the video. I wanted to film some of it in my gym. I don't know if it's still open, so I'm gonna film the parts that I need to film at home first and then walk over to the gym in the building to see if it's open. And then we'll go from there. If it's not open, then I will just call it a night because in the time that I haven't seen you, I actually answered all of my emails. So I did get some work done and I also scripted another video. So it's been quite a productive day. Does that look good or do I just... Ugh. Has anyone been watching the new Bachelor lately? I haven't watched in a couple seasons because like I kind of got bored of it and it wasn't giving what needed to be given. But I saw a picture of the new Bachelor and I was like, oh, this is my flavor of White Boy of the Month. There's only been one episode so far, but I really like him. He just seems very like unproblematic and basic white boy, but he's really cute and seems really nice and like has his head screwed on straight. So I feel like I'm gonna enjoy this season. So far, I really like Maria. I think she's so funny and like real. And I also like Jen. Is it because we share the same first name? Cannot be confirmed, but I really like her energy and I feel like she brings out like a fun side to say. I don't even know his name. Like he's so bland that I don't know his name. I'm just gonna call him main character boy. Is that like giving what it needs to give? I can't tell if the way I did my hair is like absolutely atrocious or not. Like you guys would tell me, right? It's like kind of not giving for the type of head shape that I have, right? I really don't know. Is it kind of unhinged that I used to curl my eyelashes with my fingernails? I don't know about that. Oh god. No, why did I do that? But am I continuing? I usually never do bottom eyelashes and now I remember why. Like that looks bad, right? Like you can't tell me that looks good. Unless it does. Like am I tripping? No, that looks like really, like do I hate it? I'm having quite the conniption right now. Can you guys tell me if it's like ugly or not? I don't know, bro. Anyway, I have to film. Okay, I redid my hair. Does it look any better right now? Or do I still look bald? I'm not digging the insecure vibes I have in this video. No, I'm a badass bitch. And you're a badass bitch. And I'm going to film my video. Okay, here's my setup. Oh, it looks so pretty through this camera. I am so glad that I have RGB light bulbs because it makes filming these shots so much easier. I finished filming most of the talking bits, but I was like reading from a script from this video and it was like so dramatic. Like these videos are so dramatic, but I kind of love how it's like dramatized and kind of like fictionalized. Like I've always loved acting, but I've always thought that I've been really bad at acting. So I don't know, this is kind of like a fun way for me to do some acting, but like not that seriously. Okay, now I'm going to go to the gym and see if it's open. Girl, not me going to the gym at midnight. Yoinks, yoinks, yoinks. Girl, the kids really need to like be dropped off soon, but like the IBS is really going off. Like it kind of hurts. There's someone in there working out right now. It's fully 1 a.m. Why are you working out right now? I mean, I should be asking myself the same question. Like, why am I filming at 1 a.m.? Is he leaving? Is he leaving? Is he leaving? Oh, my thing's leaving. He left. I have an empty gym to myself. Low-key, I couldn't get into this building with my fob, and I think it like doesn't work after a certain time. Some random dude was like, oh, are you trying to break? He's like, are you trying to break into the building? I was like, no. He's like, well, then what are you doing here? I was like, oh, I am trying to go to the gym. He's like, with a tripod. I was like, I'm just filming something. And he's like, are you filming like a movie? I was like, I'm filming a YouTube video. And he's like, he let me in. And then I just waited until the man left, and now here I am. So let's film a movie. I look like a fool. Guys, guys, I think I finished filming my video. It took me, what, like half an hour? You know how I went to bar class today? I did a couple more exercises for the video and I'm exhausted. But I'm so glad that I was able to sneak in here. I have to like wait here until people left. Technically, this room is closed. It closes at midnight. It's currently 1:35 a.m. Honestly, who do I need to thank for that man standing outside smoking a cigarette who let me in? Like, low-key, he was not supposed to let me in. Low-key, he was right to be a little sketched out. But I'm trying to help the girlies out. I'm trying to help the girlies get to the gym. We all need to thank a man today. I don't think I've ever said that in my life. Wait, I'm so excited that I finished filming this video. Also, I need to stop being insecure in this video. Like, I literally am a baddie. Like, I'm a baddie. Do I believe it? No, but I'm trying to lie to myself until I believe it. Baddie at the gym at 1:40 a.m. Let me collect my $25 Amazon tripod that everybody always has. Where is it from? It's from Amazon. Did you enjoy that song or not? I'm gonna need the truth, and the truth better be I release that on Spotify. Oh my god, imagine if the door was locked and I was locked in here. That actually might be my worst nightmare, being locked inside a gym. Like, what am I gonna do all night? I mean, I guess I could work out, but I already did that today. Girl, let me calm down. Let me just calm down and go to sleep. Like, girl, why are you talking in your mouth like this? Let me check if I have my keys again, even though I already checked twice. Okay, I have my keys. Let's go home. Let's go home. Low-key, am I singing because I'm, like, scared of the dark? Okay, let me shut up. Let me just shut up. I am back home now. So happy that I finished filming that video, but it's now almost 2 a.m. So I need to go hop in the shower real quick, go wash my hair, and then get ready for bed. Honestly, I'm pretty wired right now because I was just filming and I needed to use my brain. If I don't do anything about it, I'm not gonna be able to fall asleep for the next like 5 hours. So I'm gonna should I take it right now? I was gonna say I should take a melatonin. I think I will take it right after my shower. But I also have been trying this new thing of like turning all my lights red, because apparently having red lights helps your body chill out at night. Oh my god, I just have lights everywhere. And helps melatonin production. And we very much know that I need help with my sleep schedule. I honestly think my sleep schedule is the worst part about my health and my lifestyle. Like, honestly, if I got good sleep, I think that my life would be perfect, because all the other aspects of my life would improve too. Like, I think I have skin issues because I don't sleep enough. I have a lot of like digestive issues because I don't sleep enough. The dumplings that my dad dropped off, they're so good. So good. I can't wait to wake up tomorrow and eat them for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. He was like, I'll bring you enough so that you have it for the whole week. I'm like, bless up. You wanna come into the shower with me? You wanna shower with me? Girl, if you answered yes, nah, it's not that kind of video. Okay, let's step into the red lights. Red lights, stop signs in the white cars, front yards, can't... It low-key like looks kind of scary. Wait, it's like kind of scary. It's kind of scary. Wait, I don't like it. I really don't like it. At my core, I'm just a girl. I'm just a little girl who's... Wait, it's like actually scary. I don't think I can do that. No, I can't do it. It's scary. Can I just turn it to pink? Or what about like orange? Is orange okay? If there are any experts in here, can I turn it to orange? Like, is that fine? I'm gonna turn off my living room lights because that's just too much red. No, like, what's wrong with, like, why am I so wired right now? I need to chill. Girl, I'm gonna take my melatonin right now or else I'm never gonna be able to fall asleep. This is my issue. I always like start to get really wired at like 1 a.m. And I'm like, oh my god, like, girl, chill. Like, what's wrong with your brain? Even when I feel like I am tired and I go to bed, I just lay there for like an hour because I can't fall asleep. So I've been trying melatonin lately. It helps sometimes, and then other times I get the craziest nightmares. So it's always 50-50 chance. But even though I get nightmares, at least I'm asleep. Get out of funky with the shit in the rose. Look at my skincare. It's not like the most aesthetically pleasing thing right now, but still pretty cute. I actually don't use these two. I just like to put them there because they add to the aesthetic. LOL? Am I a 10-year-old running around at Sephora? thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for getting productive with me. I got a lot done today, so I'm really proud of myself for that. I hope by now that the Glow Up project is out, so go watch it, go stream Bubble, and I'm so thankful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Why would you leave?